Hey, PY, by the way, can you tell me what really a process is?
That's an excellent question, Marvin. Oh, I got an idea. Come with me. I show you.
So let's go, I show you. So we want to prepare some coffee. So first you have to fill the tank. First step. That's it. Second step, you have to put the coffee inside. 1, 2, 3, and let's go 4. Okay, and then start button. So after 10 minutes, it's ready. So let's test it. Wow, it's too strong. I should keep only 3 actually. So to resume a process, you have a start, different step that you can reproduce, and the end. The process, the coffee is done. Okay?
So let's go now to the design. So let's using the Bonita software tool. So why this tool? Because this tool is amazing, and I work for the company, so that's it. So you can download that tool directly from the community, and you open the studio, and that's what you have. So let's create a new diagram. Click here, and this is. So you have all the pools, which is the process ready. So let's go to design. First time it was to fill the tank. Here's the water tank. Oops. Then second step, you see, when I click on the test step, I have some other boundary. So let's drag and drop a second. Second was to put the coffee. Oops, sorry. Then I have to click to the start button. And next step will be to wait, let's say 10 minutes. So I use what we call timer, and I choose the timer event. And I configure that to durations. So let's do only 20 seconds, well, 10 seconds. Because I don't want to, don't forget to click to the generate button, click on finish. And then you can drink the coffee. You must finish because as I told you, a process, you have a start and an end by the end event. And that's it. So here you see I have some human task, and by default this is automatic. So let's move to the human. Just click on the element. Click here, and you can stick here. Up, start button, and that's it. Oh, I have to rename my process, like drink the coffee. Okay, to finish, go to the validation status, click refresh, and you see everything is fine. So your process is ready. And what is nice with Bonita, it's easy to test it. Click on run. You open a web browser because the solution is based on the web. Click on start, and this is what we call the portal. And you see this is my task. So just need to click on take, execute, and okay, do I have another task? Oh yeah, I have another task. Put the coffee inside. Okay, so let's imagine I do that. Click and so on. And start button. And that's it. You see, you did your first coffee. Of course, here I have to wait timer. Okay, and when the task will be ready, I will get it. Okay, is that clear now, Marvin?
Oh, okay, so I see what you mean, but I want to make multiple coffees. What if I have multiple cases? How does this work?
Of course not, Marvin. You may have multiple cases in the same process. So look, here as a user, click on process, and then here it's my process. So let's create another case on the same process. Here we are. So now you can see I have two tasks. Oh, Drink the coffee is ready. We wait the 30 seconds. So I can click on the fill the water tanks and fill the second water tank. Okay? And that's it. And if I go to drink the coffee and I click on drink the coffee here, then I have no more task on that case because, of course, I finished the process. So look, now if I go on open cases, I have one open cases and one archive case. That's it. And when you do that, of course, then you are ready to drink your coffee. And when you want, you can print the process on your mug. Why not?
That's pretty easy now that POI explains it.